In this video, I'll show you how to create a high energy opening where random flashes burst across the screen and reveal your video in a fast and chaotic way. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the flashes hit immediately. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video enters the screen. Scroll through the animation list until you find Zigzag Flash, then apply it. Once applied, sharp flashes appear in random zigzag patterns, revealing the video with intense and unpredictable motion. Use the duration slider to control how aggressive the flashes feel. Shorter duration makes the effect rapid and intense. Longer duration slows it down, making the flashes more readable. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the flashes sync well with your beat or transitions. And that's it. You've successfully added a zigzag flash reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.